Alleles for different traits are distributed to sex cells and offspring independently of one another. That's known as the law of independent assortment. This law can be illustrated using a dihybrid cross. Dihybrid crosses. So di meaning two. This is the breeding experiment that tracks the inheritance of two traits. Mendel's law of independent assortment states that each pair of alleles segregates independently during gamete formation. We're going to disregard this 2n, don't need to know that. But I want to talk to you about how many gametes will be produced when they independently assort. So we're going to use what's called the FOIL method to determine that. And that means that we can find all the possible combinations. So if I take this big capital R could be passed with capital Y, or capital R could be passed with lowercase y when they separate. So big R, big Y, big R, little y. Or I could have, the offspring could have a little r and a capital Y. The offspring could also have the combination of little r, little r, little r, little y. So this case, it has 4 possible gametes for this case. If I look at the A's, capital A could go with capital B. Capital A could also go with the second capital B. Lowercase a could go with capital B. Lowercase a could go with the second capital B. Now notice these two are the same. So we really just need one combination. We'll talk about that when we make our cross, but I only need one of each. So in this case, there's just 2 possible gamete formations. On the third one, lowercase m goes with capital N. Lowercase n goes with the second capital N. Now the second lowercase m goes with the first capital N. And the second lowercase m goes with the second capital N. Here, they're all the same. So really, how many different gametes can form? In this case, only 1. All right, let's look at traits in seed shape and seed color. So Mendel's peas can be round or wrinkled, or they can be yellow and green. So the alleles for round is capital R, wrinkled is lowercase r, because round is dominant to wrinkled. And the allele for the color yellow is capital Y, which is dominant to lowercase y for green. If I would like to cross 2 round and yellow seeds that are heterozygous for both, what would be the possible alleles for the first parent? So the first parent has 4 different combinations of alleles. The second parent would have 4 different combinations of alleles. So here's the first parent, here's the second parent. These are all the possible gamete combinations. If I want to create a dihybrid cross, I need to put every single possible gamete for the mom and the dad. And then I complete them. In the end, I end up with round and yellow peas, 9 of them. Round and green peas, 3 of them. Wrinkled and yellow are 3, and wrinkled and green is 1. So this is a phenotypic ratio of 9 to 3 to 3 to 1. Try this problem on your own, and we'll talk about it when you come back after the weekend.